Good morning, students. I am Manikant Mishra from Modern English School, New Area. Today, I am going to discuss about pH scale and based on it numerical. My dear students, yesterday we have already discussed about what is a pH. pH is a negative logarithm of hydrogen ion concentration to the base 10. So earlier also I said logarithm is nothing but it is a way to simplify the calculation. So now concentration of hydrogen ion in aqueous solution is measured in the terms is called molarity. What is molarity? Number of the moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of the solution. It is one of the units in which a concentration of acid or concentration of base can be measured. What is the concentration? What is the concentration? Amount of solute present in a given solvent or in a solution. So one of the unit to measure the concentration of solution is a molarity. What is a molarity? Number of moles of solute dissolved in 1 liter of the solution. So pH scale runs from 0 to 14. pH scale runs from 0 to 14. So when we say 0, what does it mean? The concentration of hydrogen ion of an acid is 1 molarity. Concentration of hydrogen ion of an acid is 1 molarity. If pH is 1, what does it mean? Concentration of hydrogen ion in that solution is 10 to the power minus 1 molarity. If the pH stands 2, pH of a particular solution is 2, what does it mean? It means in that solution the concentration of hydrogen ion is 10 to the power minus 2 molarity, or it can be in a simpler way also you can understand 1 by 100 molarity. 1 by 100 molarity. If pH stands for 3, what does it mean? The concentration of hydrogen ion in this solution is 10 to the power minus 3 molarity. If pH is 4, 10 to the power minus 4 molarity of hydrogen ion concentration, and so on. Now, if pH is less than 7, if the value of pH of any aqueous solution is less than 7, we categorized as an acidic or acid. If the pH of an aqueous solution of a compound is less than 7, then that compound belongs to acid family. If the pH is equal to 7, if pH equals to 7, then that compound is neutral. It means neither it is a acid nor it is a base. Now if the pH of a solution is more than 7, like if the concentration of hydrogen ion 10 to the power minus 8 molarity, or concentration of hydrogen ion is 10 to the power minus 9 molarity, their pH is respectively 8 and 9. Or if the concentration of hydrogen ion is 10 to the power minus 14 molarity, then that solution belongs to basic or base. Their nature is a basic nature. So when the pH of an aqueous solution is more than 7, then those compound belongs to base, and their nature is a basic nature. One more thing is, the lower the value, higher is the acidic behavior. Lower the value, higher is the acidic strength. So less 0, highly strong acid, very strong acid. 1 strong acid, 2 strong acid, up to 3. It comes 3 and 3/2 comes to strong acid, and 4, 5, 6 it comes a weak acid. Similarly here, but more is the pH, more is the basic nature. So if the value increases, the basic behavior also increases. Hopefully you understood, dear students. Now relative strength of H plus and OH minus in aqueous solution. For your kind information, I would like to inform you, in any aqueous solution, either it is acidic or even basic, in their solution, if it is a acidic, even then there is a hydroxyl ion concentration also present. In an acidic solution also there is a hydrogen ion or hydronium ion, along with that hydroxyl ion also present. Only that concentration of hydroxyl ion will be lesser as compared to hydrogen ion or hydronium ion in that compound, and the compound belongs to acid. Or if it is a basic solution, even that in that compound hydronium ion as well as hydroxyl ion both are present, but the concentration of hydroxyl ion is more than the concentration of hydrogen ion. That's why those compounds will have basic nature. But keep it in mind, all types of compound, there is a hydrogen ion as well as hydroxyl ion, or hydronium ion as well as hydroxyl ion. But if the hydronium ion or hydrogen ion is greater than concentration of hydroxyl ion, then that solution will be acidic in nature. If the concentration of hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion is equal to concentration of hydroxyl ion, then it is a neutral. Neutral has pH 7. It means in that solution concentration of hydronium ion or hydrogen ion is equal to concentration of hydroxyl ion. Now, if the concentration of hydronium ion or hydrogen ion is lesser than the concentration of OH minus ion, or concentration of hydroxyl ion is greater than the concentration of hydrogen ion, then the solution will be basic in nature. Now, how to calculate the pH of an aqueous solution? So few things need to keep it in mind before we proceed to solve the numerical based on the pH. So let us see log m to the power n. Yesterday already I said, in a logarithm, in a short way we write log. So log m to the power n, log m to the power n equals to n log m. Log m to the power n equals to n log m. And log 1 has a value 0, log 10 has a value 1, log 100 has a value 2. So So this much if you keep in mind, then it will be easier to solve the numericals. So let us apply the numerical. So let us see that numerical based on the pH. A solution has a hydrogen ion concentration 1 into 10 to the power minus 5 molarity. In fact, the hydrogen ion concentration is 10 to the power minus 5 molarity, but we write in a scientific notation. So 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 5 molarity. Find the pH of the solution. Let us solve it. Now, given, it is given the hydrogen ion concentration equals to 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 5 molarity. It is a given in the numerical that hydrogen ion concentration is equal to 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 5 molarity. There is a need to find out pH. So pH equals to minus log hydrogen ion concentration. pH equals to minus log hydrogen ion concentration. Minus log. Now we have the value hydrogen ion concentration 1 into 10 to the power minus 5. I have written here 1 into 10 to the power minus 5. Now pH equals to minus that minus I have written here. Let us start a bracket. Now log m to the power n, log m to the power n. Just now we have discussed log m to the power n equals to n log m. n log m. Now minus 5 log 1 into 10. 1 into 10, not log 1 into 10, 1 into 10. So minus 5 log 10. Now minus plus 5 log 10. pH, now we know log 10 value 1. So pH equals to 5. So this solution has a pH 5, and if there is a need to comment on this nature of the solution, nature is acidic. Nature is acidic because less than 7, if the pH is less than 7, then the solution is a acidic nature. So pH is less than 5, so the nature of this solution will be acidic. Thank you. Have a nice day.